Does auto insurance cover brake system damage? Have you ever wondered if your auto insurance will help you out when your brake system gets damaged? It's a common concern for many drivers. Let's break down how auto insurance interacts with brake system damage and what you need to know. First off, whether your auto insurance covers brake system damage really depends on your specific policy and how the damage occurred. Most standard auto insurance policies do not cover repairs or replacements for brake systems that have worn out due to regular use or maintenance issues. These situations are generally seen as the owner's responsibility. However, there are some scenarios where your insurance might step in. If you have collision coverage, this can help if brake failure leads to an accident with another vehicle or object. In this case, the collision coverage would pay for the damage to your vehicle caused by the accident. But keep in mind, it usually does not cover the cost of fixing the brake system itself unless it's part of the overall damage from the collision. Another type of coverage to consider is comprehensive coverage. This type of insurance covers damages that are not related to collisions, such as theft or natural disasters. If your brake system gets damaged due to a covered event, like flooding, comprehensive coverage may apply. You might also want to look into mechanical breakdown insurance. This is an optional add-on that covers repairs to mechanical parts, including the brake system, after the manufacturer's warranty runs out. It typically does not cover routine maintenance or wear and tear but can help with unexpected mechanical failures. Just remember, this coverage often comes with a deductible and has certain eligibility requirements based on the age and mileage of your vehicle. If brake failure causes an accident that damages someone else's property or injures another person, your liability insurance will cover those costs. However, this type of coverage does not pay for your own vehicle's brake repairs. When you file a claim for brake system damage, the insurance company will need to assess the situation. They will look at whether the damage was caused by an accident, a covered event, or mechanical failure. Insurers may ask for proof of regular maintenance, especially for older vehicles, since neglect can affect your eligibility for coverage. In summary, while standard auto insurance policies typically do not cover brake repairs due to mechanical failure or maintenance, there are specific situations where coverage may be available. Collision and comprehensive policies can help if the damage is part of a covered event, and mechanical breakdown insurance offers additional protection for unexpected failures. Understanding your policy and keeping up with regular brake service can make a difference when it comes to claims related to brake system damage.